Hello, everyone. We are so happy to see you today. You probably saw our thumbnail and the name on the screen. Yes, today we are talking about a woman who has a very special secret. She is 57 years old, but she has the energy and the skin of a young girl. I am talking about the star of the show, Friends, the amazing Jennifer Aniston.
Hello, Emma. Hello, friends. I am so excited about this topic. I always wanted to know how Hollywood stars stay so beautiful. I did some research this morning, and Jennifer's routine is very interesting. It is not like my routine at all.
I believe you, Alex. Jennifer is very disciplined. She starts her day very early. Tell me, what is the very first thing she does when she wakes up?
Well, it is very simple but healthy. Before coffee and before breakfast, she drinks a large glass of warm water with lemon. She says it helps her body wake up and feel fresh.
She drink a large glass of water. Listeners, wait a moment. Let's look at that sentence. Alex said, she drink water. Does that sound right to you? Think about our rule for the person she. She drink water. Well, dear friends, remember that in English, when we talk about a routine for he, she, or it, we must always add an S to the verb. So the correct way is she drinks a glass of water. She drinks warm water.
She drinks warm water.
She starts her day with lemon.
She starts her day with lemon. She drinks, yes, the S is always tricky, but I will remember it for Jennifer. So after her water, she doesn't go to the kitchen. She goes to a quiet place in her house. She meditates for 20 minutes. She says this keeps her mind very calm and peaceful.
I love that. Meditation is so important for the soul. In a busy world, 20 minutes of silence is a real luxury. I think that is part of her secret. She is beautiful on the inside, too. That is a very interesting move, Alex. Why did you stop? Were you going to check your messages?
Yes, Emma. I always check my phone immediately after I wake up. I look at Instagram, I read the news, and I check my emails. But then I remembered Jennifer's rule. She has a very strict rule about technology in the morning.
You are right. Jennifer does not touch her phone for at least 1 hour after she wakes up. She says that the morning should be for your own thoughts, not for the digital world. No Instagram, no emails, no stress. How do you feel about that, Alex?
I think it is very difficult, but I also think it is a great idea. Jennifer says that staying away from her phone makes her day much calmer. She believes that it is more good for her brain to start the day in peace. I want to try this tomorrow.
It is more good for her brain. Listeners, let's stop here. Alex used a very common phrase, but is it correct? He said, it is more good. Think about the word good. Can we say more good in English? It is more good. Well, dear students, good is a special word. It is an irregular adjective. We do not use more with it. When we want to compare things, good becomes better. So, the correct way to say it is better for her brain. If you remembered that good changes to better, you are doing an amazing job today. You are becoming a real grammar detective. Alex, let's practice this special word. Everyone, please repeat with us, very clearly. It is better for her health.
It is better for her health.
Meditation makes her feel better.
Meditation makes her feel better.
This morning is better than yesterday.
This morning is better than yesterday. Better. Yes, I understand. It is better to have a quiet mind. And after her quiet hour, Jennifer starts to move her body. She is famous for her yoga and her workouts. She says that she feels strong when she stretches. She does yoga almost every single day, even when she is traveling.
Yoga is wonderful for flexibility. It is not just about the body, it's about the breath, too. Jennifer often says that exercise is not a chore for her. It is something she loves. She treats her body like a temple. Do you like yoga, Alex?
I tried it once. It was very hard for me. I'm not as flexible as Jennifer. But when I see her, I feel motivated. She looks so healthy because she is so consistent. She never misses a morning. That is the secret of Hollywood, I think. Discipline.
You hit the nail on the head, Alex. Discipline is the key. It is not about doing something once, it's about doing it every day. Even a small glass of water or 5 minutes of stretching can make your life better over time. Now, Alex, after the water, the meditation, and the yoga, it is time for the most delicious part of the morning. It is time for breakfast. Jennifer is famous for her healthy recipes. She doesn't eat heavy pancakes or greasy bacon. What does she have in her glass today?
She has a very special chocolate shake. But it is not a normal chocolate shake like the ones I like. It is full of superfoods. I read the ingredients list. She uses chocolate protein, spinach, maca powder, and even a little bit of cinnamon. It sounds like a science experiment, but she says it tastes like a dessert.
Spinach and chocolate? That is a very brave combination. But spinach is full of iron and vitamins. It is very good for your skin and your energy. Does she put a lot of these things into the blender?
Yes, she is very careful with her nutrition. She wants to be strong. I think she puts many protein in her shake every morning because she works out so hard. She also adds some healthy fats like almond butter.
Stop right there, friends. Alex said many protein. Listen to that word, protein. Is it something we can count, like 1, 2, or 3? Or is it something different? What do you think? Many protein. Well, dear learners, protein is like water or sugar. We cannot count it. It is an uncountable noun. In English, we use many only for things we can count, like eggs or bananas. For protein, we should use much or a lot of. So, the correct way is she puts a lot of protein in her shake. If you knew that protein is uncountable, you are a brilliant student. Your English is getting better every day. Alex, let's practice the correct way to talk about her breakfast. Everyone, follow our voices. She eats a lot of healthy food.
She eats a lot of healthy food.
How much protein is in the glass?
How much protein is in the glass?
She doesn't eat much sugar.
She doesn't eat much sugar. A lot of protein, much sugar. Okay, I understand. Jennifer is very smart. She gives her body exactly what it needs. She also uses a little bit of stevia to make it sweet, but she never uses real sugar. She says that sugar makes her feel tired and old. And we know that Jennifer never looks tired.
That is the power of a good diet, Alex. When you eat well, you feel well. Jennifer's morning routine is like a gift to herself. She starts with water to clean her body, meditation to clean her mind, yoga to make her strong, and a shake to give her energy. By 9 o'clock in the morning, she is ready to conquer the world.
I feel inspired, Emma. Maybe I will buy some spinach today. I'm not sure about the chocolate and spinach mix, but if Jennifer Aniston likes it, I want to try it too. It's better than my usual morning donut.
It is definitely better than a donut, Alex. Small changes lead to big results, and that's the secret we can all learn from her. You don't have to be a movie star to have a healthy morning. Well, Alex, we have learned so much today. Jennifer Aniston's morning is not just about looking good, it is about feeling good. From her warm lemon water to her superfood shake, every step has a purpose. It is a very inspiring way to start the day, don't you think?
I agree, Emma. It makes me think about my own mornings. Usually, I'm in a hurry. I run out of the door with my shoes in my hand. No, Jennifer teaches us to slow down. She teaches us that the first 2 hours of the day belong to us, not to our phones or our jobs. I really want to change my habits now.
That is the best part of learning, Alex. We learn new words and we learn new ways to live. It's a journey. And what about our lovely listeners? Friends, we want to hear from you. Do you have a morning routine? Do you drink lemon water or do you prefer a big cup of coffee? Please tell us in the comments.
Yes, please write to us. I read all of your comments and they help me stay motivated too. And if you enjoyed our cozy conversation today, please click the like button. It helps our channel reach more people who want to learn slow English.
And don't go too far, everyone. Tomorrow we have something even more interesting. Jennifer's morning is great, but what does she eat for the rest of the day? Tomorrow we will look at her famous Jennifer Aniston salad and her rules for a healthy lunch. You don't want to miss it.
A special salad? I heard about that. I'm already hungry. I would definitely be here tomorrow to learn more. Thank you for another great lesson, Emma. I feel like my English and my health is getting better.
You are doing a wonderful job, Alex, and so are all of you at home. Thank you for practicing with us today. Remember, speak slowly, stay curious, and be kind to yourself. We'll see you tomorrow for our next Slow English adventure.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a beautiful and healthy day.
Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye.